Welcome once again, and let's talk about Shibadoge coin. Now, as of today, over 223 Sextillion Shibadoge coin has been destroyed, has been burned. Shibadoge started with 420 Sextillion coin, and they burned 50, half of these the same day Shibadoge was launched. And Shibadoge have go ahead to also burn more. Shibadoge have recorded over 55% burning. Now about 223 Sextillion tokens of Shibadoge has been destroyed, and remember that this number is much, and Shibadoge burning out the remaining supply is not going to be easy. But for me, the best way they can still burn more after they burn half when they started, now they need to burn at least another 50%, or even this time around 70 to 80% of the remaining supply. Okay, this Shibadoge have a lot of coins, over 200 Sextillion coins. This is too much. When you compare that to Shiba Inu with about 549 trillion, we are talking about Sextillion. So I think Shibadoge need to burn the remaining supply. If possible, they can burn everything on 90% of the remaining supply. But based on today, Shibadoge have now burned 223 Sextillion Shibadoge tokens. Now, with Shibadoge increase massively in price with this number of supply, yes, Shibadoge can increase. They can really hit over 10,000, 100,000% with the supply. It all depends on how they are able to get more exchanges listening Shibadoge and more people trading Shibadoge and more partnership coming in. If that can really help Shibadoge to increase in price. When you talk about, of course, Shibadoge, you have this number of coins, but they gain over $30 million within 30 days. So with this same number of coins, so Shibadoge's market cap can hit over $1 billion market cap, $3 billion market cap, $5 billion market cap, even with the same number of coins, and the price will definitely bump. But if they can destroy at least 70 to 80% of these coins, it will help Shibadoge price to increase more faster than we think. So I believe that with the time, very soon, Shibadoge will definitely increase. I'm hoping to see this developers plan well on how to destroy, on how to burn Shibadoge tokens. Let's keep hoping that today Shibadoge will definitely create a better plan in order to help destroy Shibadoge coins. And with that, I'm expecting Shibadoge to hit over 1 million% soon. With 1 million%, of course, we're already on the moon. We're already celebrating. That is a lot of money. That is a lot of gain. And let's assume Shibadoge become the new Shiba Inu. Definitely, so many people will become millionaires once again with Shibadoge. Remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.